Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Practical Spoken English by RBS. We will practice something about a job interview in this video. I will try to speak very less Hindi so that I don't mix up Hindi and English. I want you to speak only English, understand only English, and practice only English. Gradually, you will have to forget Hindi when you want to speak English. Therefore, I am using simple sentences and simple words so that you can better understand how to face a job interview and speak English in the interview. Dear friends, we have already gone through many videos of phrases, use of phrases and tenses, present tense, past tense, future tense, and we have learnt how the sentences are made in various tenses. Therefore, now we are in a position that we can start speaking English only gradually. Let us start the interview session. This will be a short session, brief session, and we will learn something how to express ourselves in an interview. Let us start. When you enter a room where the person or persons going to interview are sitting, the first thing that you do is you take permission from the interviewer, and that is, may I come in, sir? You are asking for permission. The interviewer tells you, please come in. You confidently enter the room and stand up. You don't take the seat which is vacant for you unless the interviewer asks you to do that. Interviewer will tell you, please take your seat. Then confidently, in a natural manner, you will take seat and say, thank you, sir, at the same time. Then the interviewer starts the interview. He tells you, please feel comfortable. That means you don't be nervous. And then he tells you to tell something about yourself. That means the interviewer wants your brief introduction. You will tell the interviewer, sir, I am so and so, my father's name is so and so, I come from, say, Allahabad, I did my graduation or engineering, जो भी आपने किया हो, from such and such college and university. And at the moment, I am working in such and such company in the capacity of a supervisor or a deputy manager or manager, whatever you are working at, you can tell the interviewer. This is almost your complete introduction because you have told your name, your father's name, your education, your place of residence from where originally you belong, and also that you are working in a particular company in the capacity of a particular post. Then the interviewer may ask you, why do you want to leave your present job? Then you can say that, sir, my present company is very good and it has given me good opportunity for my growth. But now I feel that my further growth is possible in your company because I have read about your company on the website and it is a very good company with lot of future, and I want to be a part of that growth process. That is why I want to join your company. Then interviewer may ask you, what is your salary expectation? That means, what do you expect as salary? Then you can say, sir, I am getting this much, therefore, in my present job, therefore I hope that I will get a better salary than this. However, that is not the only criteria to join your company. I want to work hard for the growth of your company, and I want that after seeing my work, you should fix my salary. Then the interviewer may tell you that, how do you think that you will do better in my company? You can say, sir, any job which is assigned to me or which is given to me, I put my 100% into that. In the present company also, I have been doing the same, and for that I have been rewarded, and I hope I will try to do better than the present job in your company, and I will give my 100%. Therefore, I will prove that I am an asset for your company. Then the interviewer may further ask you to tell about your hobbies. You can say about your hobbies, if you know you are interested in some sport, you can mention that. You like reading, you can mention that. If you like music, you can mention that. And you can also mention that I love helping people who are in need. And then other questions may also arise during interview. That is for the interviewer to decide what they want to ask you, whether they want to ask something about your subject or current affairs or anything, that is up to them. Anyway, after that, the interviewer may tell you, okay, Mr. So and so, that's fine, you may go now. You will gently get up and thank all the members, including the chairman of the interview board. You will thank them and gently move around and leave the room. And that is how you conduct yourself in an interview for the job. Therefore, friends, the basic thing is that you have to listen carefully and you have to speak in a composed manner, and it is not necessary that we speak fast, but it is necessary that the content of what you speak should be appropriate and good so that the interview board is impressed, and you use a small English sentences and simple words to express yourself, and that's all. Therefore, the purpose of this video is one more step to make you learn how you can practice English. Gradually, you have to live the Hindi speaking while you are practicing English. Till the time you keep on speaking Hindi as well as English, it will be very difficult for you to speak English only. Therefore, in future videos also, I will try not to speak Hindi but to speak only English. Now, how I have spoken, how I have used these sentences, you should repeat this video again and again and carefully listen and try to copy what I am saying. By the way you repeat the same sentences and same words that I have said, gradually you will become fluent in speaking English. Once you become fluent, then whether it is interview or any other place, you can speak what you want to say in a fluent, simple manner without any obstruction, without any problem. Thank you, friends. See you in the next video. That is all for now. If you have not liked my video, please like. If till now you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to press the bell button. And also you may share this video with your friends. They can also learn something from this video. Thank you very much. See you again in the next video.